when she locks eyes with you. It can feel like a powerful moment, one where everything around you fades away and you're left in a moment of pure connection. But there's a fine line between making the right move and making a fatal mistake. Many guys, despite feeling the chemistry, end up messing things up in this critical moment, whether it's the wrong body language or saying something out of nervousness. These mistakes can make you seem unapproachable or uninterested. In this article, we will explore the 5 most common and fatal mistakes you should avoid when a woman locks eyes with you. Mistake 1, looking away too quickly. Why it signals disinterest. One of the biggest mistakes you can make when she locks eyes with you is looking away too quickly. If you immediately break eye contact, it can send the signal that you're uninterested or nervous. It's almost as if you're avoiding her gaze because you're intimidated or unsure of yourself. That instant hesitation can be a turnoff. How to use eye contact to build attraction. Instead of darting your eyes away, try holding the gaze for a brief moment and then look away naturally. Let the connection linger for a second, longer than usual. This gives off the vibe that you're confident and engaged, and it shows you're comfortable with her attention. Just don't overdo it. Keep it subtle and relaxed, and let the moment evolve. Mistake 2, staring without breaking the gaze. How too much intensity can make her uncomfortable. On the flip side, staring at her without breaking the gaze can also be a fatal mistake. While it's important to maintain eye contact, excessive staring can come off as intense or even creepy. Women are generally sensitive to body language, and a prolonged, unblinking stare can create discomfort. The importance of balance. The key to mastering eye contact is balance. Hold her gaze for about 3 to 5 seconds before looking away. When you look away, try to do it naturally and break the gaze gradually. The idea is to keep things comfortable while still making her feel the chemistry between you. Mistake 3, overthinking and not acting. How hesitation kills the connection. Another mistake men often make is overthinking the situation and hesitating when she locks eyes with them. In the moment of connection, you might freeze up, thinking, what should I do next? Overthinking and second guessing can kill the energy in the exchange. She'll notice the hesitation and might feel that you're unsure of yourself. Confidence is key. Confidence is attractive. Rather than overthinking, trust your instincts. If the eye contact feels like an invitation, go for it. Approach her or smile naturally. Your confidence will make the interaction smoother and more enjoyable for both of you. Mistake 4, smiling too soon. Why premature smiling send the wrong message? It's common for people to smile the moment they lock eyes, but this can be a mistake if done too early. Smiling too soon can make you appear overly eager or even desperate. Women often appreciate subtlety, and they can sense when someone is trying too hard. When to smile naturally, instead of forcing a smile the moment she looks at you. Wait until you've shared a moment of connection. Let the smile come naturally after a brief exchange of eye contact or a relaxed conversation. A genuine, soft smile will make you appear confident and approachable, not desperate or awkward. Mistake 5, using your eyes as a way to judge. Why you shouldn't scan her up and down. A big no. No, when it comes to eye contact, is scanning her up and down. This behavior can come across as disrespectful and objectifying. It's one thing to admire someone's appearance, but when you make her feel like you're judging or evaluating her physically, it can completely shut her down. How to maintain respectful and open eye contact. Instead, focus on maintaining respectful and open eye contact. Don't let your gaze wander and avoid looking her up and down like you're inspecting her. Instead, try to keep your eyes at eye level. showing her that you're interested in connecting with her mentally and emotionally, not just physically. The right way to handle the situation. The balance between confidence and respect. Handling eye contact the right way is about maintaining a healthy balance between confidence and respect. Acknowledge the moment with a genuine connection, but don't push it. Let the moment evolve naturally and give her space to engage. How to escalate the interaction without overdoing it. If you feel the chemistry building, don't hesitate to move the interaction forward. You could start with a simple compliment or question. However, make sure you're not rushing things. Let her lead the way with her responses and body language. Why these mistakes matter. How body language can influence attraction. Body language plays a huge role in attraction. It's often the nonverbal cues that speak louder than words. Eye contact is one of the most powerful ways to communicate interest, but it must be handled with care. A wrong move can make you seem disinterested, uncomfortable, or even invasive. The power of first impression. First impressions matter, and your ability to navigate the moment when she locks eyes with you can set the tone for the entire interaction. If you handle it well, it can lead to further conversations, deeper connections, and even romance. If you handle it poorly, it could signal the end of the opportunity. Conclusion. When she locks eyes with you, it's more than just a look. It's a chance to make a lasting impression. Avoid these 5 fatal mistakes, and instead, embrace the opportunity with confidence, respect, and the right amount of charm. Eye contact can be a game changer, so make sure you use it to your advantage.